All of you have done the problems or not? That is echelon form and rank of a matrix. I have also told you to write the rank of the matrix. Below the when you will get the echelon form, in the last line you should write the rank of the matrix A is the maximum number of non-zero rows in the row reduced echelon form is equal to either 2 or 3 or 4 like this. The question which I was given was to find the echelon form. That means to reduce in the echelon form to the echelon form. And those questions, you should find the rank of the matrix of those questions. Okay. All of you have done or not? Okay. Let us start. Good evening, everybody. And already I have told you the row reduced echelon form. How to reduce to echelon form? Uh, that means row reduced echelon form. And I have already told you how to find out the rank of a matrix. Okay. And I have also told you what is the definition of echelon form. That means row reduced echelon form. And I have also told you elementary row operations. And what is the meaning of elementary row operations? There are 3 rows. You can interchange 2 rows. And number 2, you can multiply a non-zero constant to any row. And the third rule is you can add some multiple of any row to another row. A multiple of one row can be added to another row. These are the 3 rules. And using these 3 rules, you should solve the linear equations. So first of all, see, if the equation is like this, a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to k1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to k2, and a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to k3. Then what is the coefficient matrix? you should take the coefficients only, coefficient of x, y, z. That means a1, b1, c1, a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, and a3, b3, c3. a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2, a3, b3, c3. Which are the coefficients of x, y, z? Clear? So this is called the coefficient matrix of this system of linear equations. And what is the augmented matrix? Augmented, A-U-G-M-E-N-T-E-D, augmented matrix. Augmented matrix means simply write the coefficients first, A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Then write the results in the last column of the coefficient matrix K1, K2, K3. So this is called the augmented matrix. Clear? And some authors are writing like this. They are putting a dotted line so as to indicate it that this is the coefficient matrix and the total one is augmented matrix. Okay, that means this system of linear equations can be written in this form. That meaning, that is the meaning of, that means a1x plus b1i plus c1z is equal to k1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to k2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to k3. Okay, so how to solve this system of linear equations? By the method of row reduced echelon form, or it is known as Gauss-Jordan method. Solution of linear equations by elementary row operation or row reduced echelon form. Row reduced is known as magic row reduction method. Row reduction method, or this is Gauss-Jordan method. Clear? And Gauss-Jordan method is a magnificent method to solve the equations. And but Gauss elimination method will take lesser time and it is very easy than Gauss-Jordan method. But Gauss-Jordan method is a time taking, simply 3 to 4 minutes will take extra than Gauss elimination method. Okay, so let us see an example. That is x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0, 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to minus 3z is equal to 1, minus x plus y plus 2z is equal to minus 1. So this is your question. Now how to solve it? The augmented matrix is A comma B. You should write like this, A comma B, where A is the coefficient matrix and B is the result. Clear? So you should write like this, write the coefficients 1, 1 minus 2, 1. 1 minus 2, 1, and the result is 0. Result. Then 2, 1 minus 3. So 2, 1 minus 3. Then the result is 1. Then minus 1, 1, 2. Minus 1, 1, 2. This is minus 1. So this is your augmented matrix. Now simply you have to reduce to row reduced echelon form. Clear? So this one is already 1. So by the help of this one, you have to make this to 0. How to make this to 0? R2 minus 2 times of R1. R2 minus 2 times of R1. And how to make this one 0? R3 plus R1. R3 plus R1. Clear? So 1, minus 2, 1, 0. 2 minus 2 times of this one, 0. 2 times of 1 minus 2 times of this one, 1 minus 2 times of this one. So minus 1 is plus, 4 plus 1, 5. Minus 3, minus 2 times of this one, minus 5. So 1 minus 2 times of this one, 1. Clear? So this plus this, 0. This plus this is minus 1. This plus this is 3. This plus this is minus 1. Clear? Your first step is over. Then your second step. So you have to make this one 1. So simply interchange these two. Interchange these two rows. It will be better. So R2 and R3 I have interchanged. Clear? So then it will become 1 minus 2, 1, 0. It will be 0, minus 1, 3, minus 1. And this is 0, 5, minus 5, this is 1. Clear? Now multiply minus 1 to this row, so that it will become plus 1. So R2 into minus 1. Always try to solve as whole number. Don't try to convert it to fractions. Okay. Worst condition, in worst condition you can convert it. That means 0, I am multiplying minus 1 to this row. Minus 3, it is 1. Then 0, 5, minus 5, this is 1. Is that clear to you? So now, by the help of 1, you have to make this to 0. That means R1 plus 2 times of R2. R1 plus 2 times of R2. Then how to make this one 0? R3 minus 5 times of R2. Clear? So this R1 plus 2 times, R1 plus 2 times, it is 1. R1 plus 2 times, this one plus 2 times, 0. This one plus 2 times, this is 2 times is minus 6 plus 1, this is minus 5. 0 plus 2 times of this one 2. Then 0, 1, minus 3, 1. Clear? So this minus 5 times, R3 minus 5 times, 0. This minus 5 times, 0. This minus 5 times, it will become plus 15. Minus 5 plus 15, it is 10. Clear? So this minus 5 times, this minus 5 times, it will be minus 4. Clear? Second step is over. Now you have to make this one 1. Okay. So how to make this 1? See here. So you have to divide 10 in this case. So R3 into 1 by 10. So it will become 1, 0, minus 5, 2, then 0, 1, minus 3, 1, then 0, 0, 10 by 10 it is 1, then minus 4 by 10, minus 4 by 10, so it will be cancelling 2 by 5, so minus 2 by 5. Clear? So now the last step. Last step is that by the help of this one, you have to make this to 0. So R1 plus 5 times of R3, R1 plus 5 times of R3, R2 plus 3 times of R3, R2 plus 3 times of R3. Clear? So finally this will become 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now only these three. It is minus 2 by 5. Clear? So now R1 plus 5 times. R1 plus 5 times. 5 times R3 means 5 cancel out. So this plus this, it will become 0. Clear? Now R2 plus 3 times. R2 plus 3 times. 3 times means R2, that is 1, minus 3 times. That means 6 by 5. So 5 minus 6, minus 1 by 5. Clear? Now simply convert it. That means x is equal to 0, 1 into x plus 0 into y plus 0 into z is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 1. Then y is equal to minus 1 by 5. And z is equal to minus 2 by 5. So this is the answer. So let us check whether this is the answer or not. What is our equation? X minus y plus z is equal to 0. Clear? No. We have got somewhere mistake. So this one is x is equal to 0, x equal to 0, and y minus y plus z. This is not 0. We have done somewhere mistake. Anyone have noticed where I have done the mistake? Hello? Have anybody noticed? Monto. Okay. No one can tell me where I have done the mistake. Okay. Again I am doing the same question. X minus y plus 5 plus z is equal to 0. Slightly anywhere some mistake has been done. Plus y minus 3z equal to 1 minus x plus y plus 2z is equal to minus 1. So what is the augmented matrix? The augmented matrix is somewhere I have done mistake. I am doing AB is equal to 1 minus 1 1 0, 2 1 minus 3 1 minus 1 1 2 minus 1. Clear? So this is already 1. So R1 R2 minus 2 times of R1, then R3 plus R1. See here, 1 minus 1 1 0, 2 minus 2 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1 1 minus 2, so it will be 3. Clear? Then minus 3 minus 2 times minus 5, so 1 minus 2 times 0. Clear? So this plus this 0, this plus this, it is 0, this plus this, it is 3, so this plus this, it is minus 1. Clear? Now you have to make this one 1. So by the help of this quantity, but this one already it is 0. So you should divide 3 in this case. So let us divide 3. So this is 1 minus 1 1 0 0. So I am dividing R2 into 1 by 3. This is not 0. 1 minus 2 times, it is 1. Okay. Now see here. 3 by 3 it is 1 minus 5 by 3, and this is 1 by 3. Now 0 0 3 minus 1. Then by the help of this one, we want to make this quantity 0. So simply add this one, R1 plus R2. So it will become 1, this will become 0, this will add by adding 1 minus 5 by 3. It is 3 minus 5, minus 2 by 3. Clear? And this one it will be 1 by 3. Okay. Now this is 0, 1 minus 5 by 3. This is 1 by 3. And this is 0, 0, 3, minus 1. Now you have to divide 3 here in order to make this one 1. So R3 into 1 by 3. Here this is 1, 0, minus 2 by 3. It is 1 by 3. This is 0, 1, minus 5 by 3. This is 1 by 3. This part is 0, 0, 1, minus 1 by 3. Clear? So now, let us write here. The equation should be there. Otherwise you cannot test whether it is correct or not. Now by the help of this one, these two both should be 0. How to make these two 0? R1 plus 2 times of R3 plus 2 by 3, 2 by 3 times of R3. Then R2 plus 5 by 3 times of R3. Clear? So 1 0 0, 0 1 0, 0 0 1. I am writing this one, and this one is minus 1 by 3. Okay. I have written the correct question or not? Okay, the question is correct. See here. Now, R1 plus 2 by 3 times of R3. R1 plus 2 by 3 times. 2 by 3, that means 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 times. 2 by 3, that means 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. So it will become 2 by 3, so R3 should be added to R1. So 1 by 3 minus 2 by 9. Take the LCM 9. So it will become 3 minus 2. It is 1 by 3. 1 by 9. 1 by 9. Clear? Now, this one. R2 means 1 by 3 plus 5 by 3 times of R3. R3 is minus 1 by 3. So same thing, 1 by 3 minus 5 by 9. So take the LCM 9. So it will be 3 minus 5. It is minus 2 by 9. Clear? So therefore x is equal to 1 by 9 and y is equal to minus 2 by 9. Sorry, 2 by 9 and z is equal to minus 1 by 3. So this is the solution. Please test these values in this equation whether it is correct or not. Try it. Try it quickly. I have the equation which I have taken was wrong previously. Okay. Now check it whether these three values satisfy the equations or not. Satisfying or not? Okay, very good. Now, let us see another example. Y minus 2z is equal to 3, then 3x plus z is equal to 4, then x plus y plus z is equal to 1. Okay, see here. The augmented matrix AB is equal to how much? The value of x is 0, 1, minus 2, this is 3, and here 3, 0, 1, 4, and the coefficient of x is 1, it is 1, this is also 1, this is also 1. Okay, simply interchange R1 and R3. R1 and R3, I am interchanging. 1, 1, 1, 1, this is 3, 0, 1, 2, 4, and this is 0, 1, minus 2, this is 3. Clear? Now, you have to make this one 0. How to make this one 0? R2 minus 3 times of R1. R2 minus 3 times of R1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 3 minus 3, 0, 1 minus 0 minus 3, minus 3, 1 minus 3, it will be minus 2, 4 minus 3, it will be 1. Then 0, 1, minus 2, 3. Clear? So now you can interchange these two rows so that it will become 1. Okay, it will be better. R2 and R3, I am interchanging. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, minus 2, 3, then 0, minus 3, minus 2, this is 1. Clear? Then, by the help of this one, you have to make this to 0. R1 minus R2, then R3 plus 3 times of R2. This plus this minus this, 1, 1 minus 1, 0, this minus this, 3, this minus this, minus 2. Now 0, 1, minus 2, 3. This plus 3 times, 0, this plus 3 times, 0, this plus 3 times. That means minus 6, minus 2, minus 6, it is minus 9. So this plus 3 times, it is 9 plus 1, 10. Clear? So you have to make this quantity 1. So you have to divide minus 9. R4 into minus 1 by 9. 1, 0, 3, minus 2. 0, 1, minus 2, this is 3. 0, 0, 1, this is minus 10 by 9. Clear? So by the help of this quantity, you have to make this to 0. How to make it this one 0? R1 minus 3 times of R3 and R2 plus 2 times of R3. So that 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, this will become 0, 0, 1. This is minus 10 by 9 and R1 minus 3 times. R1 minus 3 times of R3. This minus 3 times of this one. So minus 2 minus 3 times of this one. So plus 30 by 9. So 9 to the 18, minus 18 plus 30 divided by 9. It is minus 12 by 9. Minus 12 by 9. It will become minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. Then next it is R2 plus. R2 means 3 plus 2 times of R3. That means minus 10 to the 20. 20 by 9. 9 to the 27. Minus 20. 7 by 9. So therefore, x is equal to minus 4 by 3, y is equal to 7 by 9 and z is equal to minus 10 by 9. So please check it, check the values, whether it is satisfied or not. Or something it is wrong. Somewhere I have done a mistake or not? X is equal to 4 by 3. It is not 4 by 3. How much? R1 minus 2 plus 3 times 30. 30 by 9. 18 minus 18 plus 30. What is 4 by 3? Still then there may be some mistake. Please check it. Whether I have done some mistake or not. 1, 1, 1, 1. and this is 3014, 01 minus 2, 3. This one is correct. And now 3 minus 3, 0, 0 minus 3 minus 3, this minus 1 minus 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3, it is 1. Up to this step is correct. Now interchange this one, 0 1 minus 2 3, 0 1 minus 2 3, 0 minus 3 minus 2 1, 0 minus 3 minus 2 1. Okay, this step is correct. Now 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1, this is 3, 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Okay. Now this plus 3 times 0, this plus 3 times 3 to just 6. Oh, here I have done mistake. This plus 3 times means minus 2 minus, okay, when it is correct, 6. No, it will be minus 8. Minus 2 minus 3, 3 to just 6. So it will be minus 8, sorry. And this plus 3 times. 3 is 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So this one I have done mistake. This should be minus 8. You should divide minus 8. So this will be 1. This is 10 by, in the last step we have done mistake. So this will be 10 by 8 minus 5 by 4. Okay. So then R2 plus 2 times of R3 and R1 plus minus 3 times of R3. So 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 and this one is minus 5 by 4 and R2 plus 2 times. Okay, R2 plus 2 times 3 minus 2 times, that means 5 by 2. Clear? So 3 to the 6, 6 minus 5, it is 1 by 2. Clear? And then R1 minus 2 minus 3 times of R3 plus 5 by 4. This will be 5 to the 8, minus 8 plus 15 minus this will be 7 by 4. Clear? So x is equal to 7 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 2, z is equal to minus 5 by 4. Okay. So if there may be some mistake in addition or subtraction, so I advise you to check the answer in the equation so that you will get the result. Okay. Now check it. It will satisfy. Check these values x, y, z in the given equation. It is satisfying or not? Okay. So today I will give you some questions, and you should do the questions from the description, and in the next class I will tell you how to find out the inverse of a matrix. I have told you already how to reduce to echelon form, number 1, and then I have told you how to find out the rank of a matrix. Then number 3, today I have told you how to solve by Gauss-Jordan method or by row reduction method. Okay. These are all 6 mark questions. 6 or perhaps 7 or 8 mark questions. Clear? In the next class I will tell you how to find out the inverse of a matrix by Gauss-Jordan method. It's similar process. Okay. So okay. Thank you. Good night.